And good evening, guys and girls of the YouTube community. It's your boy, Lex Anderson, Situation Room, and you've entered the Sports Opinion Log. And this video, like all videos, is sponsored by my hair company at celebrityhaircore.com, where I am proud to announce that we are now selling human hair wigs. So check us out on the gram for promo and discount codes to utilize at Celebrity Hair Core, where you pay no tax, free DHL Express shipping, and a free gift with purchase. Celebrity Hair Core is now changing the hair game with our grade 10A diamond level human hair wigs. Trust me, you want these wigs. Baltimore Orioles in this doubleheader. Currently, the Yankees do lead 4-0 in the 8th inning, and we're threatening with runners on the corners and Bird at the plate. But I'm also here because history was made August 13th. The Sports Opinion Log was in Yankee Stadium for my first ever Subway Series game. But most and more importantly, the special guest was my aunt, D.A.B. Final score, unfortunately, was Mets beat the Yankees 8-5. The Mets pretty much treated it like a home run derby. But most and more importantly, the Sports Opinion Log was in the building. And a family member, my aunt, D.A.B., was in the building, her first ever game at the stadium, and she definitely brought the fandom. The Yankees could have definitely have done more to win, but unfortunately the bullpen clearly wasn't up to the task, and neither was Severino. So good job, Severino. But again, at the end of the day, when it comes to the Yankees, the goal first and foremost, World Series, baby. To get to the World Series and bring home the championship. That's what it's all about. So until then, YouTube community, enjoy the video. I'm mixing it up with the people in the stadium. It was a blast. And the Yankees did hit some home runs. So all in all, it's a great experience. From going from the TV to being there live. If you haven't been to a game, I would definitely suggest you check it out. Groupon's got great deals. It's towards the end of the season, so almost anyone can get a ticket because the prices are definitely within one's budget. But eat before you go to the game because the concession prices is kind of, pricey. I'll probably delete that part. But either way, check out the videos. I'll see y'all later tonight when I go live for college football. The Sports Opinion Log will be back later tonight. Until then, this is your boy Lex Anderson. Popping my collar because I'm signing out. What is better than going to a Yankee game? I'll tell you what, going to my first ever fucking Subway Series against the loser-ass Mets who ain't worth shit and ain't about shit. I don't care if the train line is over me, but we are here, baby. Sports Opinion Log, Yankee Stadium, Subway Series, first time ever in my life. Oh, I am so stoked. This is your boy, Lex Anderson, and you have entered the Sports Opinion. Okay, I am here. Going to my seat. I'm not hungry yet, so will we have chicken and waffle sliders? I don't know. I keep eating the same fucking thing, so we'll probably go with something different today. Ooh, silhouettes. Okay. What? One of their many stores in here. I think there's like 4 team stores here. Oh, I'm doing video right now. Snapchat, hold on. Okay, now we're on Snapchat. All right, Subway Series. All day, every day, and we have a Mets fan in here. All right.
Can you filter that shit though?
What's up?
Filter that? Classic white girl. Classic white girl.
I'll see what's available. Thank y'all very much. We here, baby. It's live. The food is here. The beer's here. I got to save that to add that to the video. You just never know, man. The fandom is real out here. Sitting in the 200s, exclusive. That's what I'm talking about. Woo! And I got here just in time before the game starts. There's no free giveaway tonight, so I didn't have to bust my ass. I don't think I'm gonna go up anywhere today for food. I think I'm just gonna stay my ass here, maybe get something to drink. That's about it. Get some of that cheap lemonade. We're going crazy. Yankee rally here in Yankee Stadium. It's insane right now. 7-5. The Yankees are starting to make the comeback. What do they want? The screen is saying to get The machine is saying to make noise. We're making noise. It's wild in here. It's live. It's Yankee Stadium, the Cathedral, in the building. Lex Anderson, 7-5 Subway Series, interleague. You know I love it. It's my aunt's first game. She's wilding right now. This is wilding out right now. We live. And the cameras are still rolling. Let's get it crack-a-lackin', folks. It's like so electric right now. We are live right now. Home run. She's excited. She's enjoying her time. You hear the trumpets. You hear the music. Sports opinion log. Lex Anderson, 7 to 5. There is still time. There's still time. There's still time to win. It ain't over till it's over. We're hooping and hollering. There we go. Sports opinion log. Here with the people. It's insane right now. How you feeling? She's alive. It's live right now. It's live up in here. Woo, Sports opinion log here in Yankee Stadium with my aunt. First game ever in the new stadium, the Cathedral.
Let's go Yankees!
Currently the score is 2-2 versus the Mets in the Subway Series. The Yankees have everything to play for. The Mets have nothing to play for. Once again, they are number 2 in the city. And when I mean number 2, I mean that the other number 2, not the number 2. Holla. It's your boy Lex Anderson with my favorite aunt. Sports opinion log. We're in the building.